Haley, and in these videos I'm going to teach you a little bit about Scratch. Scratch is an online coding program for kids. You can make games, animation, and stuff like that. Hi everybody, welcome to Coding with Haley. Today we're going to be doing the platformer game, and this is part 3. Now we don't want to press the create button because we don't want to start over. We're going to want to press our profile, we're going to press my stuff, and we're going to go to our platformer game and press C inside. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to our platformer background, and we're going to do Control C and Control V to copy and paste this, and we're going to add some little platformers that the dog will go on. Now we basically just made like the platformer because now the dog can walk on the platformer because we did it if then touching the green color. And so now what will happen is when we go up, if it's touching the green color, it will stay on top of that. So we basically made a regular platformer, but there needs to be more platformer levels. And what we're gonna do is so what's happening is when I'm jumping and I'm like on to the left side and I jump, then it turns to the right side, the direction. So what we're gonna wanna do is just take away the point in direction 90. It can point in whatever direction it is right now. We're just gonna have to have the change Y by 5. And now what happens is when we jump up, whatever direction we are in, it will jump in that direction. Okay. So it's looking good. And now what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna go to our backgrounds. We're gonna make some more platformers. Now this platformer, now we're higher in the air. So I copied and pasted, and I am making some more platformers right now. So now I'm testing it out. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now what happens is if it touches the ground, then it has to start over. But for right now, in part 3, we're just gonna add the line here, and we're gonna put it down here, and we're gonna do when flag clicked. We're gonna go to looks and do change ghost effect by 100. And now what happens is it's a ghost and you can't see it. But it's actually there. It's just a ghost. That's all we're gonna do for the line thing in part 3. Now we're gonna do in the background, we're gonna do when flag clicked, switch background to background 1. And now it's now we're gonna go to our dog and do when flag clicked, go to where it is right now, and that's negative 170, and the Y is negative 172. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to, let's save it. Now what we're gonna do is when the dog is like up there, when it goes up there, it will go to the next backdrop, because the next backdrop is when the dog goes higher up in the air where there's more platformers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a when flag clicked, if then we're gonna do go to operators and do the equal one. We're gonna go to motion and do Y position equals, right now it is 185. So if the y equals 185, and we're gonna add an and operator and do another equals, and we're gonna do x position equals, right now it equals negative 162. And then what's gonna happen is we're gonna broadcast a message. What broadcasting a message is, you're like telling a message to a different sprite, and when that message is broadcasted, then it will happen. So like we're gonna broadcast next backdrop, and when the backdrop receives, when it gets the message, then it will do something. So what it will do is it will go to the next backdrop. Now let's let's test this out. I'm looking through it. Okay, now what happens is when we're up into the sky, when we're higher up, when we go up, it should go to the next backdrop. Wait, it's not working. Let's check why. Oh, we need to put a forever loop. So we're gonna, to put a forever loop, we're gonna go to controls and add the forever loop. Now let's see if this is working. Still not working. Let's see why. Oh, maybe we don't need the X position one, because we just want the Y to be 185. You don't need the X position, you just need the Y position for this, because the Y position is up and down. So now it should, we don't need that. Oh, wait. You can do a Control Z if you mess up. And now it's going, but it went 2 backdrops high. We want it to go only 1 backdrop high. Let me show you again. Maybe you didn't see that because it went really fast. Now when I'm up, it went 2 backdrops high. We want it to go 1 backdrop high. So now what we're gonna do is, what should we do? So we can do this. We can go to the dog, and then after it quickly goes up, it should quickly go back down. It should quickly go back down. And it will go here. See, wherever you put the dog, it will track where it is. So now when the dog goes up, and it goes, it went on 1 backdrop higher, and then you can go into this one, like that. Okay, so there it is. Oops. We're gonna take that one away, and then we're gonna do a one flag clicked, if then operator. We're gonna do it equal. We're gonna do backdrop number equals number 3, which is the last backdrop. Then it will stop all. It will stop the game because you went through all the backdrops. And of course you can add more backdrops. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Bye! Remember to subscribe for more videos and comment down below what cool things I should teach you in Scratch, and also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video.